Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Chrome is current and that developer mode is available. This avoids blocked installs. Once done, download the Eagleget CRX to a folder you can find. Now open Chrome, / extensions and toggle developer mode on. This permits loading unpacked or dragging CRX files. You should also close other download managers because they can conflict. These steps get you ready and remove common blockers, so the actual install will proceed without surprises. Next, install the extension itself using one of two reliable methods. You can drag the CRX file onto Chrome, / extensions and accept the prompts. Chrome will show required permissions, so read them. Alternatively, extract the CRX to a folder and choose Load Unpacked, selecting that folder. This is safer for modified builds. Once done, confirm the extension appears in your toolbar. Make sure to restart Chrome if the toolbar icon or context menus are missing. Finish by pinning Eagleget to the toolbar and performing a quick test download to verify capture and context menu integration. If it fails, disable competing download managers and retry. Conflicts are the most common cause. Once done, restart Chrome and test again. For stubborn issues, open Chrome, / extensions, enable developer mode, then click background page or service worker to view console errors. This shows missing files or permission denials and points you to the precise fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.